Hey everyone, or as they say in Hawaii, aloha. Staying out here at the Ko Olina on the west side of Oahu. Behind me is the main entrance sign, and actually in front of me right now, or I guess behind, is the main entrance. I'm gonna do a property review, try to fit as much in as I can, because this is a pretty big place. So come with me on this journey and check out this property. So this is the main entrance. There's walkway next to it, and it goes up into a circle in between a couple towers where the valet and bellhop are located. Here's one of the parking areas, and then also from the circle directly in front, another parking area over here to the right. This is the main entrance up ahead. This is the main entrance, but we'll get to that in a second. Right now we're going to take a detour. So check this out, right here from the drive circle. Waterfall, some nice benches. Spectacular view of the property and the beach lagoon. Palm trees and the sun setting here shortly. Awesome. There's one of the towers where we're staying. And then the main tower up here. There's also a tower on the north side. So the main tower is called Halekona. This is the main entrance, lobby area. Check out this old school outrigger canoe. It's pretty cool. Guest concierge area. And the main guest check-in. This check-in area is also pretty cool because you have this balcony here that overlooks more garden area. That's the north side of the property and the north tower I was telling you about. The property has traditional Hawaiian native artwork throughout. We'll go down these stairs to the garden. There's a general store down here that serves food and coffee. And also a very nice restaurant called Longi's. Now there are several Longi's throughout the island. Cost is average about $30 to $50 per plate. Very nice restaurant. Alright, gonna go over this little bridge here. Nice garden area. Koi pond. It's a big koi right there. There's also Longboards Beach Club, which is out here and has more food. That's the north tower, and there's also several pools on the property. Another pool right there as well. So Longboards is right here next to the lagoon. So if you're just looking for a quick bite to eat or maybe take something back to the room, this is a good place. There's also seating here outside Longboards if you want to eat there. So this area has multiple man-made lagoons. When I lived here in the early 90s, the travel brochures would show these resort properties with these empty lagoons, proposing to the resort owners to come build out here. Well, they did. So you have Marriott here. Nice big property. And then there's this little one over here that says like something beach club. I forget what it is, where they built. And then you have the Hyatt back over here. And then the second biggest property owner in this area is Aulani right there, which is Disney. And then we just found out this morning that this vacant area right next to the Marriott, which is there and there, is going to be Atlantis. They're going to come build a big property here in the next couple of years on Oahu. So the resort umbrellas and bungalows close at 4:30. That's why these chairs were all tipped up on their sides. But the beach is open 24 hours. And the little cabana bungalows and umbrellas are available by reservation. And you can make or check in for your reservation here, which is right next to the beach. But don't come down here and try to get a reservation because sometimes it's booked out. The best way is to make the reservation by text from the room. And you can usually make a reservation a day or two ahead of time or even the same day. So the property itself is private and you need your room key to get in. There we go. So I'm showing you in reverse order, but normally you would come up to this cabana and get your towels and then go down to the beach. And then there's the check-in to get your towels or turn in your dirty ones and get new ones. And this is another big pool area, which is pretty nice. It's got a water slide, it's got a waterfall. There's a bridge that goes under. And then there's also like another waterfall and a grotto slash tunnel area. More pool area. And then another bridge and pool area. There's a small fire pit area, a small jacuzzi area. The south tower is a nice barbecue area. And then our room is up here on the 6th floor. I'll show you guys our room here. Okay, so we got the standard studio king suite, king bed, flat screen TV, it's a mini kitchen, wet bar. It's actually a small mini fridge here with a separate freezer, coffee maker, microwave up here in the cabinet, and dishes. Small closet. Now all the rooms come with a couch, whether it's a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, or the studio like this, and the couch pulls out to a queen. A little nice seating area, and then a small balcony, which we ate most of our meals out here in the balcony just to enjoy the view. Pretty nice. Bathroom's a standard small bathroom, toilet, sink, vanity, and a shower tub combo. You can hang dry towels here. Nice shower head, which is adjustable, especially if you're tall like me. And then if you've never used one of these before, it's a clothesline in the shower to hang dry bathing suits. A lot of hotels in Hawaii have those. Planes coming in to Honolulu International. So my recommendation is if you're looking to get away from Waikiki and want something more private, more remote, this is a cool place. If you're looking for in the center of the action, you know, the busy life of the city and close to the world famous Waikiki Beach, then that's probably a better option. Transportation, this is definitely a place you need to rent a car, a shuttle, or some other transportation to get to, because there isn't any out. So it's been nice to stay on a different part of the island, a different resort, and a different change of pace. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, post them in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Check out my mini travels and adventure. I try to post for the different properties and resorts that I visit, so make sure you subscribe.